The journey itself is the reward. This sun-drenched pathway, bordered by lush green grass and sturdy trees, feels like a private invitation. From the small ditch on the left to the distant utility poles on the right, every element feels perfectly placed. It's more than just a road. It's the definition of a scenic, rural walk. What's the best memory you've ever made on a walk like this? More descriptive, highlighting specific elements like the tall betel nut, supari trees. A colorful journey, carrying everything they need for the day. On one side, the soul-soothing ambience of the village, and on the other, the unstoppable hustle of the city. Standing in the middle, watching life unfold. These moments are truly precious.